How to repot the rose. Method 2. Substrate failing. First, we'll check how is the container, and we get the net out and put it at the bottom of the container. Then put a little substrate at the bottom of the container. Then put the rose out. You can see the root is very good, very nice rose. And put the rose in the container, and then fill the substrate in the container. Remember, give enough substrate to make the container full. And then use the watering can to give enough water so that the rose can grow up rapidly. Remember to prepare a label and write down the reporting